Hi, here your master pattern. Today I'm here to explain you close fitted bodies. So required measurements for the size 10. We see first three measurements are vertical measurements, and then 4, 5, 6, 7 are horizontal measurements, and then 8 and 9 neck round and bust round circumference measurements. So let's see how to draft close fitted bodies. The step 1, we are going to make closed block. You can see the picture here. So draw a vertical line and mark point 0 on the top. Zero to 1 is 1.5 centimeters for back neck depth. And then 1 to 2 is 1/5 arm side depth minus 0.7 centimeters. And this is for shoulder slope. And 1 to 3 is arm side depth plus 0.5 centimeters. 1 to 4 nape to waist, and 4 to 5 waist to hip measurement. So these are all the levels. Now we have to draw square across lines by using L scale from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 markings. And from 1 you draw it approximately 10 centimeters, and from 2 approximately 20 centimeters. 3 to 6 is half bust round plus 4 centimeters is square up from 6 mark 7, use L scale, down from 6 and mark 7. So with this step 1 is completed, you can see clearly the closed block. Shoulder, chest, waist and hip levels. In step 2, we're going to make back pattern. And for that, 0 to 9, 1/5 neck round minus 0.2 centimeters. This is back width. And you join 1 and 9 by using French curve. And then 9 to 10 is shoulder plus 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is for dart. And join 9 and 10 with straight line. This is back shoulder. 11 is the midpoint. It is for dart placement. And 3 to 12, half back width plus 0.5 centimeters is square up from 12, mark 13. 14 is the midpoint to draw the back arm round. 15 is the midpoint of 3 and 12, and this is for princess line. Square down from 15 with straight dotted lines. Mark 16 at waist level, 17 at hip level. Join 11 and 15 with straight dotted line. Now you have to mark shoulder dot on this line. 11 to 18 is shoulder dot length. You take 5 centimeters and take 11 to A 0.5, 11 to B 0.5 centimeters, total 1 centimeter dot intake. Join A 18, 18, B with straight lines to complete shoulder dart. Step 3, front pattern. 7 to 19, 1/5 neck round minus 0.7 centimeters for front neck width. And 7 to 20 is 1/5 neck round minus 0.2 centimeters for front neck depth. Square across from 20, and this is the guideline to draw front neckline. So keep the French curve as I'm showing here and join 19 and 20 for front neck. 6 to 21 is half chest plus half dart. 22 is the midpoint of 6 and 21, and this is for front princess line. Square down from 22 with straight broken line. Mark 23 at waist level, 24 at hip level. 22 to 25, 2.5 centimeters. Point 25 is a bust point. 19 to 26 is dart intake. You can take dart intake from standard measurement chart. It is 6.4 centimeters for size 10. So join 19, 25, 25 and 26 with straight lines for shoulder neck dart. Square down from 10, 1 centimeter and mark point 27. Square across from 27, 10 centimeters and mark 28. And this guideline is for front shoulder drop. And from 26 to 29, shoulder measurement. Join 26 and 29 with straight line for front shoulder. Square up from 21, 21 to 30 is 1/3 of 6 to 20. 31 is the midpoint of 12 and 21. Square down from 31 with straight broken line. Mark 32 at waist, 33 at hip level. Now step 4, armhole drawing. 12 to X, 21 to Y. 2.5 and 2 centimeters. Now join 10, 14, X and 31 as I'm showing here for back arm round. First join 10 and 14 and then 14, X, 31 to complete back arm round. Join 29, 30, Y, 31 for front arm round. First join 29 and 30 and then 30, Y and 31 for front arm round. So with this The close fitted body is completed. Now step 5, which is pattern information. So write all the pattern information as I'm showing here: center front, armhole, grain line, title of the exercise, and size of the pattern. Thank you all for watching. Hope you understand this video. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.